Let's learn how we can set a unique name on our wallet to make tracing and transactions easier than it ever was. To begin, visit Ens.domains and tap on Get Your Name. Search for the name you wish to set on your wallet to see whether it's available or not. From this part, adjust the period you wish to keep this name. You can choose either of the two available payment methods. In this video, we paid for the domain using Ethereum. On the setup page, you can change your wallet address and set a profile picture if needed. By tapping Add More to your profile, you'll be able to add more contact information such as your Discord ID, Telegram account, X handle, and more. Just 3 steps left to finish your registration. Tap on Begin. To book the domain, you should pay a small amount of Ether. Confirm the payment and wait for your transaction process to be finished. Now tap the Finish button and continue to the next step. Once you're certain about all the details, confirm the transaction and pay the full price for your ENS domain. Once again, wait for the transaction to be sent. That's it. Your chosen name is now successfully claimed and connected to your wallet. By the way, you can edit your profile or add further information to it anytime.